Hey everyone, in this class we'll see how we can connect our Ubuntu VM from our Windows machine using SSH. Okay, so basically we will be what we are going to do here. Suppose we have the Windows machine and this is our VM. Okay, so this is the Ubuntu and this is the Windows. So we'll be connecting this with the help of SSH. So SSH is a service which we use to connect to any server and it runs on the port 22. So what will we need to do? We'll need to first of all install OpenSSH, okay, into this Ubuntu. By default, it is not, it doesn't come with like while installation of Ubuntu. So we need to do it separately. And one more changes which we have to do into the VirtualBox network setting that we'll be doing. Okay. So I have already written the steps here in the txt file. We will follow the same steps, that is sudo apt update first. Okay. Let's enter the password. Cool. It's done. Then we will be installing this one. Open SSH server. Just to control shift V. Yeah, I want to install yes to yes. Then we'll be enabling this SSH. After the installation is done, we'll do that. Okay, done. Then we'll check the status of SSH. And here you can see it's active and running. Cool. So do Q to quit. Next is what you have to do. You have to just go into the devices and you have to go into the network here. Go on network settings. And by default for you, it might be NAT. You have to select in bridge adapter and whatever comes it, keep it as it is. Okay. And just do OK. And that's it. Just to, I will do cancel because I have already done it. Then you have to check your IP of this VM, what IP it got. Here just do IPA. Here you might get ETH0 or ENP0ST like me. And then you have to focus on this address. This one is the address. And then you have to choose your username. And the command which we use to connect using SSH is SSH username at IP. Okay. So the same command we'll be doing from our this also from our Windows machine. So what I'm going to do, I will just copy this IP using Control Shift C. I'll do Windows R, CMD, and here I will just type SSH, Ayush at, Control Shift V, and just do yes. And it's asking to enter my password. I will just do Ayush, and here you can see I'm connected to my Windows VM. Sorry, Ubuntu VM. If I do PWD, I'm at home Ayush. If I create any directories here, so dir from Windows 11. And if I do ls here, you can see that IT is here. And also if I go here and check to ls, you will see the dir element. So in this way, you can connect to SSH using Open SSH server. Okay, so that's all for this class and see you in the next one. Thank you.